So listen, little girl. Do you have the hiccups? Hey, Ry. Are those the hiccups? Hey, Ryry. Do you have the hiccups? What do you think about them? Not much? You don't think much of them? Oh, look at those cute pajamas. Those are cute. Oh, no. Where's Ryry? Oh, there she is. What are you doing? Or send check or money order for $19.95.
Okay, I'm trying to get you some music so you can dance.
Why do you have that in your mouth? You look crazy. I just want you to know. What are you doing? Why do you have that in your mouth? Ryry? Where's Sissy? Where's Sissy? There's a girl gonna dance. Yeah. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
We have to go riding around in the car.
You and your mom ride in the car and rock out.